With the federal vaccine mandate lifted this week, much of the focus was on travelers. But it also means unvaccinated federal government employees or those who work in industries regulated by the feds can return to the workplace. BC Ferries is among those companies, and as Brendan Strain reports, the transportation giant is hoping dozens of workers will come back.
In the heart of the pandemic, BC Ferries put approximately 150 unvaccinated people on unpaid leave. Now, with the federal vaccine mandate lifted, it's giving those employees a choice.
Now there's an opportunity for those folks to come back to work, which we're hoping will provide some relief for the shortage of workers we have.
BC Ferries is federally regulated as it falls under the transportation sector. The company says while in a staffing shortage, it's reaching out to those put on leave to see if they want to work.
I'm not sure how many will come back and won't come back yet. I think there's still, quite a few people who haven't been contacted.
The union representing BC Ferries workers has two pending arbitrations with the company. One involves a shore-based employee who feels their job could have allowed them to work from home, but wasn't given the opportunity. And the other involves all those employees put on unpaid leave.
But certainly looking at what damages occurred, and then whether or not the process should it occur in the future again if there's something in the fall.
In simple terms, the union is seeking job security for those members if the vaccine mandate is brought back.
BC Ferries is one of the few employers who was caught under a government mandate.
This employment lawyer says BC Ferries had no choice but to implement the federal policy. Now that it's been lifted, the company is obligated to either return those individuals to the workplace or offer them a severance package. She says in this case, BC Ferries needs those employees back, but points to other sectors where business could still be struggling to rebound post-pandemic.
But I think that the airline sector is a really good example of that. In any area where business is down or inflationary pressures are expected to really do a number on somebody's business prospects, or they've had to sort of reduce services.
While the lawyer says some airlines may not have the funds to bring back the unvaccinated workers, BC Ferries is seeing a surge in summer travel and needs workers fast, or more cancellations are on the horizon. Brendan Strain, CTV News, Victoria.